Hi everyone, in this project we will modeling an apple. As you see, this final render is perfect enough for our project, and in project files, as you see, we have a apple body and apple stem and leaf and stand. Of course, we added a Arnold light and camera, as you see. And see again. If you are ready, let's start. First of all, let's create a display texture image file that will help us realize the lower part of our apple model. You can find the textures we used in this lesson in the links below the video. So we can create a plane from top view and maybe sizes 200 and 200 square size and length segments both of width and width segments 1, and we can change render engine from Arnold to Scanline renderer, and material editor we can choose standard and maybe white. Yes, copy and assign the plane. Perfect. We can press F3 and shift F maybe for now, and we can create a free spot and F3 again. We can adjustment spotlight's parameters. Yes, maybe yes, and shift Q. We can yes, shift Q. Yes, maybe just a bit we can drag up and shift Q. Yes, perfect. And copy maybe so, and copy. Yes, and shift Q. It's two for each other. We can just a bit close, just a bit more. I think yes, enough for now, and we can copy both of with shift hold down and drag, and shift Q. We can drag just a bit more, shift Q, and more, shift Q. Yes, this looks like perfect for now. And save this image. Save this image, or we can yes, shift Q. We can change this or size, for example, custom, and maybe 800 and 800, and yes, and we can perfect and shift Q. Yes, and save it. We can save as a JPEG format, and we can call it displays1. Yes, displays1, its name. and go to GIMP graphic editor software. It's open source, you know. And open, and I opened or render file and select this image again. Yes, again, yes, perfect, yes, enough for now. Okay, Control C and create from clipboard. Yes, our display texture is ready, and export us into our project directory. And as you see, our displays 1, displays 2, and leaf color and leaf mask image for our project. Back to again 3D Studio Max, and you can, if you want, you can save this project or you can reset and don't save, and you can reset. Yes, let's create a zipper. Yes, and maybe segment 42. Yes, and name is Apple maybe, and we can add taper modify from modified list, and it's enough for now. Yes, and edit poly modifier vertex, and it's important we can choose soft selection and select and just a bit big. Yes, again, perfect, again, perfect. Yes, and maybe, and we can drag this section, and yes, yes, perfect, maybe, and this point and this way, perfect, and cancel this so selection, and maybe just a bit. Yes, it's look like perfect right now. Yes, perfect. Add edit mesh and vertex mode and use selection. Yes, and add this vertex mode and selection, sub selection. Yes, and add displays and select displays to image, and we can control this strength value as you see. Yes, also this perfect, perfect. Yes, perfect. And right click, convert to the table poly, and maybe just a bit this one. Perfect. Yes, and select, so selection and drag this section. Yes, perfect. And select F4, select this, cancel this edge and loop and chamfer. Perfect, as you see. Yes, and this maybe again loop and chamfer. Yes, perfect. Result for now. Yes, perfect result. Good. Yes. We can change this sharpness edge and loop and chamfer. Perfect result, as you see. Yes, yes, it's perfect right now. Yes, all Apple bodies ready right now. We can add material and select surface, standard surface and bitmap. Select this texture and assign a 4. We can choose texture technique with UV map, maybe spherical and maybe fit. Yes, it's perfect. Yes, and we can add an apple stem, so line, yes, and create a circle and select this bind and compound object loft and get shape. Yes, perfect. And we can maybe shape this circles just a bit. Yes, enough. And we can just a bit reduce size and scale and yes, perfect. Maybe yes, perfect. And select this at point with this tool, any point, and select this one. Yes, you can watch the result. Not too much. can check result from. I think enough for now. Yes, okay. And we can edit poly again and select this space for select this space and grow. And we can just edit track and this way, maybe more. Yes, I think enough for now, and we can delete, and we can add materials also, and select standard surface and bitmap and select this material and assign. We have to add UV map, UVW map, and maybe box, and we can control planner. Box. Yeah, just a bit. We can rock. Yes. Maybe planner. Yes, perfect result. And yes, maybe box. Yes, this result is perfect right now. Yes, and back and specular 0. This specular maybe low, small. Yes, perfect. And we can add a leaf for our apple or standard primitives and add a plane on our scene. Yes, yes. You can write in textures.com search area leaf and mask. You can find this image and again open GIMP and open this file with GIMP. Yes, as you see, our image is here and we can crop. Control C and create clipboard. Yes. First of all, we can maybe brightness and control just a bit. Yes. Okay. Maybe more. Yes. Okay. We can save with color format and export as you can file, you must save with PNG format, and we can choose this section and edit field with black and select invert and edit field white. This is mask for our leaf, so we can export as again JPEG or PNG. And as you see, our displays 1, displays 2, and leaf color and leaf mask image for our project. Let's go back to 3D Studio Max again, and we can add leaf material and another slot and standard surface again, and bitmap we can choose this leaf color and assign specular level 0, and we can add on opacity control or mask. Yes, we can choose this leaf mask. Perfect. And we can add rendering environment HDR bitmap again. You know this HDR image from texture.com from previously video lessons. Yes, and maybe we can test render. Yes, as you see, leaf is perfect. Yes, and we can F4, maybe just it's too big. Yes, turn, and yes, perfect. Maybe just a bit. Turn again, and yes, Shift Q. Yes, perfect. Or cancel. Yes, Shift F and Control CC. Maybe this apple, maybe just a bit rotate. Yes. We can add a stand for our project. Yes, so, and we can add a line. Shift hold on with draw line. Yes, and select modifier and vertex, or you can select this corner vertex and fillet. Perfect. Yes, maybe this vertex we can up drag of this again, and we can perfect. Yes, maybe name is stand, and we can add extrude modifier. Yes, as you see, perfect. And we can add this problem, as you see, shell modifier. Yes, perfect. And we can add material for standard surface, maybe just a bit dark, and sign. And render again. Perfect, but we can add a exposure from environment control. Yes, maybe, yes, maybe 8. And again shift Q. Better, as you see. Maybe just a bit this apple material specular level, maybe increase. Yes, shift Q. Yes, render has complete. Result is perfect. Maybe we can add body of our apple model mesh smooth. Mesh smooth. Yes. And iteration maybe 2. Are not light for our scene. Yes. And shift Q again. And yes, our final render has finished. As you see, result is perfect for us. Thanks for watching and